Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we are going to study Surah Naziat, which is Makki Surah and which is in the last para of the Quran, in the 30th para. Let us start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Very Merciful. وَالنَّازِعَاتِ غَرْقًا. I swear by those angels who pull out the souls of the infidels with extreme force. وَالنَّاشِطَاتِ نَشْطًا. And by those angels who untie the knot of the souls of the believers smoothly. وَالسَّابِحَاتِ سَبْحًا. And by those angels who float in the atmosphere swiftly. In the first three verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sworn an oath, but Allah does not need to swear an oath to confirm His statement. The Holy Quran has used different oaths at different places to add eloquence and emphasis to the style. فَالسَّابِقَاتِ سَبْقًا. Then proceed forward quickly. فَالْمُدَبِّرَاتِ أَمْرًا. Then manage to do everything they are ordered to do by God. يَوْمَ تَرْجُفُ الرَّاجِفَةُ. You will be resurrected on the day when the shocking event, that is, the first blowing of the trumpet, will shock everything. تَتْبَعُهَا الرَّادِفَةُ. Followed by the next one, that is, the second blowing of the trumpet. The first trumpet or sur will be blown on the doomsday to end the entire creation, and it will bring death to every living creature. The second trumpet or sur will be blown to resurrect the dead. قُلُوبٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ وَاجِفَةٌ. On that day hearts of people will be throbbing. أَبْصَارُهَا خَاشِعَةٌ. With their eyes downcast. يَقُولُونَ أَإِنَّا لَمَرْدُودُونَ فِي الْحَافِرَةِ. They, the infidels, say, are we going to be brought back to our former state of life? أَإِذَا كُنَّا عِظَامًا نَخِرَةً. It is when we are turned into decayed bones. قَالُوا تِلْكَ إِذًا كَرَّةٌ خَاسِرَةٌ. They say, if so, that will be a harmful homecoming. This is an ironical statement made to mock at the concept of the hereafter. فَإِنَّمَا هِيَ زَجْرَةٌ وَاحِدَةٌ. In fact, it will be only a single harsh voice. فَإِذَا هُمْ بِالسَّاهِرَةِ. And in no time they will be brought into the plain of Hashr. هَلْ أَتَاكَ حَدِيثُ مُوسَى. Has there come to you the narrative about Musa? إِذْ نَادَاهُ رَبُّهُ بِالْوَادِ الْمُقَدَّسِ طُوًى. And recall that event when his Lord called to him in the blessed valley of Tuwa. اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى. And God said to him, go to the Pharaoh. Indeed, he has crossed all bounds. فقل هل لك إلى أن تزكى. And say to him, would you like to purify yourself? وأهديك إلى ربك فتخشى. And that I should guide you to your Lord so that you fear him. فأراه الآية الكبرى. So Musa showed him the biggest sign. فكذب وعصى. But he rejected and disobeyed. ثم أدبر يسعى. Then he turned back and tried hard to refute the messenger. فحشر فنادى. Then he gathered his people and shouted. فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى. And said, I am your supreme Lord. فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى. So Allah seized him for an exemplary punishment in the hereafter and the present world. إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى. Indeed, there is a lesson for him who fears Allah. أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها. Is your creation more difficult or that of the sky? He has built it. India, answer to this question is too obvious to be given in express terms. Creation of the sky is much more difficult than of the creation of man. When Allah has created heavens and earth, why is it deemed difficult for him to create human beings again? رَفَعَ سَمْكَهَا فَسَوَّاهَا. He has raised its height, then made it properly. وَأَغْطَشَ لَيْلَهَا وَأَخْرَجَ ضُحَاهَا. And darkened its night and brought forth its daylight. وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. And after that he spread out the earth. أَخْرَجَ مِنْهَا مَاءَهَا وَمَرْعَاهَا. From it he brought out its water and its meadows. وَالْجِبَالَ أَرْسَاهَا. And firmly fixed the mountains. مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ. All this is a benefit to you and your cattle. فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ الطَّامَّةُ الْكُبْرَى. So when the greatest havoc will take place. يَوْمَ يَتَذَكَّرُ الْإِنسَانُ مَا سَعَى. On the day when man will recall what he did. وَبُرِّزَتِ الْجَحِيمُ لِمَنْ يَرَى. And the hell will be exposed for all who see. فَأَمَّا مَنْ طَغَى. Then for the one who had rebelled. وَآثَرَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا. And preferred the worldly life on the hereafter. فَإِنَّ الْجَحِيمَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى. The hell will be the abode. وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ وَنَهَى النَّفْسَ عَنِ الْهَوَى. Whereas for the one who feared to stand before his Lord and restrained himself from the evil desire. فَإِنَّ الْجَنَّةَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى. The paradise will be the abode. يَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ السَّاعَةِ أَيَّانَ مُرْسَاهَا. They ask you, O Prophet, about the day of judgment, as to when it will take place. فِيمَ أَنْتَ مِنْ ذِكْرَاهَا. In which position are you to tell this? إِلَى رَبِّكَ مُنْتَهَاهَا. With your Lord is the final word about it. إِنَّمَا أَنْتَ مُنْذِرُ مَنْ يَخْشَاهَا. You are only a warner for anyone who fears it. كأنهم يوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها. The day they will see it, it will be seem to them as if they did not live in the world, but only for one afternoon or for the morning thereof.